make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They
Recording
hate
in
when
progress.
I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but this stuff.
Morning, everyone. Alright, alright, day. See how Friday's gonna go. Well, did you check anything London session?
No, not during London. I took the buy during the Asian session, but I got break evened. I like took it here in the chop zone, and then I was like, fuck it, let me just get out. I think it's gonna roll over. And it went straight up, then I'm like, okay, let's look for the buy when it gets back down here, and just went straight through. I'm like, you know what, fuck it. I don't know
Yeah,
what's going on.
I was looking for the buys down here, and I didn't want to
Yeah.
take it out. I was expect this rejection to happen on the 5 minute. Don't know if you remember. We were looking to sell from there too. Just went straight through instead of doing this pullback.
Yeah. And then it's like you can't really take the buys off of that crazy wick candle because then the stop loss is it's
Yep.
just too crazy.
Yeah, massive. Plus, there was still a chance it could fill it and
Yeah.
continue down. That's a risky
Which is what I
buy.
thought it would do.
That's a risky buy. That's why I didn't take it.
Yeah. It's like there's not I don't know, Asian session was crazy. They lost their minds.
Yeah. Straight up, straight down. We were on the sun last night.
Yeah.
Morning, Joseph. And she wants to forward 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Expecting her to fall from here.
Yeah, rejected VWAP.
Oh, probably.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's not a good area to
So,
take. Yeah, it's like right amongst this like cluster of support.
mm,
It's like, is that VWAP really gonna hold when it already wicked out the lows and went straight up?
now I'll use it if it ends up breaking the stop line. I mean, the support, I mean. Since it kept rejecting support here. I was expecting it to get back to the guys that they didn't reach both of them. Usually, that's what they would.
Damn, look at this candle. Jesus.
The way it's reacting, I'm interested. I'm interested taking it from here.
Yeah. Oh, God. I don't see Edwin.
I was just about to say something. Maybe it got corrupted in London.
Yeah. He always gives up
But
early if it's, not good.
not even 1-1 win.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Probably was expected to nice.
Yeah.
Like the way I'll be trading now, just I don't even want to take trades that are like pretty much can only give to 1%.
Mhm.
So right now, even though Friday, this thing does go. If I reject this 1 hour supply, I see my entry there, stop loss there. I get back down to the.
Okay.
But if I'm looking to buy, for example, let's say at the there, and let's say I take buy, so stop loss here. Then I really have no guarantee that any of this high is going to.
Yep.
So, but I will target the major high, and that's it.
Okay. I don't even think the 50% target is worth it anymore nowadays. Because even if you, let's say, move it to break even, you'll come back. It's just too volatile.
Yeah. So the 50% max just close out. If you want to get out of there, just close everything out. Make more. Sometimes even 1-to-1, still come back.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, this weekend, I'm gonna back this. So I don't move the stop loss.
Yeah,
But
I don't think so.
but take something off though at 1-to-1.
Okay.
Take something off at 1-to-1, and 70, and then look the rest on to the final TP. So even if it does come back down, you lose everything you've made.
Yeah. We talked about that earlier in the year as well.
Yeah.
Back when Lucian was still here.
Oh yeah. Oh, I think was it you that did the looked at the differences, or was it?
Yeah, I had it on my Google Sheets. And he did it as well.
Mine Ablico holding sell from 36.49. Oh, that's definitely unfair.
36.49. Oh, Jesus, that's like a couple pips higher than where we are right now. It's like right here.
I'm in these buys.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, right
Like,
here, right
this
now?
is, yeah, that's like 49.
Oh. Man, where's your stop loss though?
Yeah, I think he can easily get wicked out from these like highs up here. Especially now that you've got those crazy wicks down there. It's like, Jesus.
Go, baby, go! 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 Yes! Yes! Fuck your B1. Okay, I'm out. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
Another reason why I think this should actually fall, even though we're rejecting this minor support. So yeah, so even though rejecting this minor support, another reason why it should fall is because we have this high here and we've already did lower high. What we do not have as of right now is a lower low. that will happen with big slow. That's what we don't have. Now to the buy side, we know we're bullish overall. Hence the reason why I'd rather buy at a major low or with this in this range. Now in this range, we are not breaking highs. In this range, we are not breaking highs and we are not breaking lows either. But we do have one thing in this range on the sell side, which is the lower high, but we are missing the lower, which we can still get. Now, to the buy side, if we do, of course, close below this high, then, of course, now we broke highs, so we got to start looking for buys at that point. But for now, I am gonna keep anticipating sales here. And if we really go into fall, we just need to create pretty much another rejection around here or wick this high. So, see what happens.
Where'd you buy it from, Pi? What was
But,
your entry price? Sorry. Go ahead.
But because of this rejection we have here, I'm not going to take it off the rate. I'm either going to need to see a resistance and a support formed and take it below the minor support, or we consolidate and I take it, or we push down aggressively, pull back, and then I'll take it because of the failure to break minor lows. So we still got some waiting in our hands. Morning, Richard.
$79.5. 79.5. Oh, okay. Did you take any heat on that trade?
Tiny bit of drawdown, but it just went straight up,
Oh, okay.
which is great. I bought it just before that massive bullish candle.
Oh, okay, nice.
You think you've tapped, you probably see on a footprint a big order at 3677.5. Trap sellers again at that 77 mark. Support's been tapped multiple times, can't break it.
I'm guessing you're out now.
Yes, yeah, I'm out. Just as it went past VWAP, I didn't want to mess with VWAP, even though it didn't pay any attention to it.
I'll be
I
right
didn't
back,
like any
guys.
trade.
Gotta go use
Sorry.
the restroom. Right back. Take over for me, one.
Yeah. I didn't
Yeah,
like any
so-
trade down there because it was chopping too much. Like it was like VWAP's going sideways. There's New York value area high right there, and it's just like slicing through it repeatedly. And it's like I can't trust anyone here. I don't trust the buyers or the sellers, you know. But yeah, eventually the buyers like won out.
You can see them. I sort of looked at multiple confluences and saw that this whole area, like a support tapped multiple times. You had huge buy and sell orders in all of these candles,
Yeah, very big.
and then it's also the value area low of the day.
Yep.
Low volume node is where I bought it, just below the high volume node, just below the POC. And when I could see that we had negative 181 over 1500 volume in the candle, in this candle, not being able to and you still couldn't break it, even with all that selling, I thought, all right, that's this absorption, so we should go up.
Okay.
And I could have my stop right below the wicks, so it was nice risk, nice 1 to 2R.
Okay, nice, nice. As long as you got the, the good RR rate, and that makes it worth it.
Yeah, for sure. But it's definitely a rangy day. I mean, it could just come down from here. Like, tap the value area high.
I was anticipating it getting down to 72.0 or lower.
Yes, yeah, the 1 hour
And then
demand, I think that is.
I had taken a sell right here, and then it chopped sideways for like forever. And I was looking for that target down there, and I was like, okay, we broke the low finally, like significantly. And I just trailed my stop like here for like 15 pips in profit, and straight up took me out. And it's like, oh, I'm not trading. I'm not
Yeah,
trading you.
yeah, very tricky. The sales have just been so choppy all week.
Oh yeah, yeah. Although, what was it? A couple days ago, I completely switched over to the sells once it started. Oh, after FOMC, yeah. After
Yeah,
FOMC, it's like,
that was when it was at like all-time highs again.
yeah. I saw the way that candle looked. It's like it took out all-time highs on FOMC and then collapsed down, then continued down. So it's like, okay, I think they've made their decision. That's a crazy candle. The craziest candle I've ever seen for FOMC. Because I think that's like a 500 pip, one 5-minute candle or something.
Yeah, it went straight up and then like 1,000 pips down and then straight back up. It's fucking crazy. But FOMC is normally straight. Like the
Yeah,
announcement is normally like a straight one direction, and then obviously the press conference like half an hour later, and it moves around. But yeah, normally the decision candle is like a straight line.
yeah. Man, it went up like the size of that candle from high to low is like 590 pips on a 5-minute chart. It's like, what the hell? My goodness. Also, I expect gold to stay down here and chop around before, making any big moves again, because this is the range that we're in before the little breakout to the all-time high. Like consolidated, broke out, failed back in repeatedly. Probably gonna stay in here, chop all around, and then they'll decide which way they
Yeah,
really want to go.
it's been super rangy all day.
Yep. Well, Edwin, what's happening? What happened today?
Yeah, I took by here, I think, and then she freaking almost stopped me out here. It's like 7 pips away. Gave me like a freaking Asian PTSD. But then she hit 1 to 2, which is
Okay.
nice.
Nice.
Yeah, man, I almost shit my pants.
Man, that's a
I thought
crazy
it was gonna be
candle.
quick when she freaking moved up this much. It's like from the entry. It's like shit, should be a quick one. Then she freaking collapsed.
Yeah, I would have been upset too. It's like, man, look at this candle. It went so high and then it came down, broke the low of the prior. I was like, uh-oh. God dang it. Do you two have a higher winning percentage compared to king with your strategy? I'm not sure about what Pi's winning percentage is, but my winning percentage is like very high nowadays. Like this week is just all wins.
Oh, nice.
I see.
Yeah, I've
Except
only
for
had
the Asian trade, I closed it out at like minus like I don't know, like a couple pips, but basically break even.
I've only had 2 L's this week actually. So I think the win rate is it's all relative because me or Wald might have like a 30% win rate, but our RR because our entries are a lot more just in terms of precision because we can see a little bit more. So our RR rate is probably higher, and if you've got a lower win rate, that's completely fine.
Yeah. Why don't you start your own channel? You're in the wrong community. Why am I in the wrong community?
Man, I think
I
what's
have
gonna get
no
reported if it's a channel.
I have no interest in starting a channel or whatever because I'm not here to give out, like free signals to random people on YouTube and all this kind of stuff. I'm just here to trade myself, and I just find the company of other legitimate traders nice
Yeah, totally. Yeah, it's the same. I don't.
because,
I hate trading alone.
yeah, exactly. That's what I was gonna say. Yes, trading's lonely,
Boring.
you know?
Boring as fuck.
Yeah.
I could never. I use props to Abe. I could never do what he does. Never.
Yeah.
I just don't have the tolerance or patience or.
Oh, let me see. Oh, what did it say? Question. Oh, Anteater FX. What you should know is that both uh, WoW and Pi, you can pretty much say both of them they already had the basic knowledge, and they've been with me for two 2 years at least, if I'm
Man,
correct.
I've been with Abe for like at least like 3 years, right? I've been with you
Yeah,
I
you're
think this is the 3rd
three.
year.
Yeah, this should be the third year. Pi should be 2 or 2.5.
Yeah, he's
Pretty
Yeah,
2.
much.
this is my
Yeah.
second year. I joined January last year.
Now they've pretty much found their own edge and they stuck with it. That's what I've been trying to say. No matter who you're with, who you're learning from, at the end of the day, you're going to have to do much of the work, and you're going to have to find your edge. That's it. Every single trader needs to find their edge. That's when you know, yeah, you've arrived. You've arrived.
And
That's
also,
pretty
it's
much
like
it.
and also like, learning from Abe back then, it's like he took my game up a level significantly. And then it's like, hey, from there I just, find my own way. But it's like,
Thousands.
the foundations.
That's what's so great about having a trading community. Just like I've learned. Same with me. I was in an absolute rut until I joined the community, and Abe took me to a different level, got me funded just by working with him and learning. And then you take bits of Abe's strategy with supply and demand, which I knew nothing about until I started trading with Abe. He made it so simple. And then you listen to guys like Wall, and you're like, okay, what's this order flow stuff and footprint? I'm going to look at that. Fuck the tick chart, but the delta, delta and footprint, delta and footprint was really interesting to me. So you take that, you apply it to supply and demand, and you have a couple of weeks of complete failing, but that's how we learn. New systems and new strategies, and yeah, just having a community to keep you accountable and bounce off of is definitely. That's what's so great about the community. People in here aren't just here to take signals. We're here to learn and develop our own edge.
So, real quick, let me explain what I am looking for here. If we keep holding here, now, because of the failure to break this low, it can actually push up from here and break this high. However, I'm not expecting to see that, so I am expecting that this 1 hour supply holds. Worst case, we grab liquidity above it, rejecting the major high or the 5-minute supply. Now, if that happens, because this high failed, man, come on. So because this high failed to break this low, and we rejected multiple times and we went aggressively and broke this minor high, buyers could still be in here. So I'm going to need to see sellers come in aggressively. If they come in aggressively, now because of these rejections we had at this support, we should get another pullback. The buyers should step in again. They step in again, of course, I'll be expecting the sellers to pretty much clap them. So this right here is the setup I will be looking for. If I see that, then we should definitely break this low, even though we rejected it. How many times now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this time frame. So setups like this, you gotta be very, very careful when you're looking for sales.
Oh, NYSE.
NYSE is up.
Oh, okay. I see. I think Anteater, I think he's upset at me or something. It's like only this King's channel and only his strategy should be promoted. I'm not promoting anything. I'm just talking. Just a trader, and I just trade and I just chatting. People get so, I don't know, they get so offended by everything. I remember like back in London session, like maybe like 2 years ago or something. It's like there's that lady who got so offended at me. It's like, get your own channel. And it's like, when? What is this about?
Man, you got to narrow that down. You got to know everyone gets offended by you. The trouble is, I think in this industry, it's so people are so conditioned to being marketed to. They're so conditioned to having, signals and strategies and stuff shoved down their throat. When a community comes along and people are just talking, we talk like we talk on Zoom. YouTube just happens to be listening in and watching. We're not promoting anything. We're not saying, oh, here's my signals, follow wall. Like, no, not at all.
Anteater, also another thing you need to take note of, that while on Pi, they pretty much still trades like me. Listen to this keyword again, but they have an edge. It is not my edge, so I don't use it. It is their own edge, and that's what the keyword edge. That's the only difference. They still pretty much look for supply and demand setups. Buy low, sell high. They still do that. Difference is edge, keyword edge. That's it.
It's just a different entry type, really. It's like I'm just buying at
pretty much,
demand zones, but I just take different entry types.
Exactly. You see, like for now, I've thrown my monitor out the window because I closed my trade too early.
For example, if Pine Wall, if they look at the footprint, if they see something here and they feel comfortable with it, they will take the sell. I won't, but that is their hedge, and they still use it. We have a supply zone right here, so they still trade in supply and demand. Just different entry types is done using footprint.
Mm. And then there are trades that Ape takes, smashes like the full TP, and I didn't even take it. And then it's like, well, okay, well, he had an awesome win and I had nothing.
Yeah, exactly. That's all that's happened. I mean, what prompted the discussion is that I took a buy from down there, and me and Wall talked about it, and
It was your buy. It was your buy.
my buy upset Anteater. He was like, "Oh man, did I miss a signal? Ah."
Damn it. And the funny thing is, he's not upset at Pi, he's upset at me.
At this point, I would prefer for this to go back to the highs. Potentially grab the highs. See how it goes.
Folks that are trying to learn throws people off. I feel you would get more subscribers. In regards to that, like, people who truly want to learn, they'll join the mentorship. Like, those are people who really actually want to learn. There's like a different level
Whoa!
of
Did you
commitment.
say you'd get more subscribers?
Oh, you cut out.
Did he say you'd have more subscribers if me and Wall left?
I think he's
fucking rude, man.
trying to blame me.
If Anteater was here when we had it was Iron Man trading.
Oh,
I've hated that.
Oh, he would have ate him up.
Because Iron Man is not even a day trader, he's a swing trader.
Oh, yep. Also, like, let's say if you look at like Top Step TV, they have like different traders on that, you know, channel like on a daily basis, and
Oh,
they all trade differently,
oh,
and they
yep,
all
yep,
talk about different stuff, and they
yep.
got plenty of viewers, you know.
Yeah.
So it'd be like telling them, it's like, man, maybe you should get rid of like all the traders and only keep one of them, and you'd get more viewers. And it's like, I don't think that's how it works.
And also, at the end of the day, when you on any streaming platform, and on that trading streaming platform, you have different traders. You just have to go with the one that resonates with you. Just going to feel it.
DJ said, "Sell, bro. You first."
Yeah, you can sell first. I'm J Tech. I am with you as far as selling goes. Uh, not just right now for me. I need more confirmation. Need more confirmation. We get a liquidity grab, and I might take it. But as of right now, without a liquidity grab, I'm still waiting.
The OB has been respected.
And if we do come down aggressively from here, just like I said, still expecting the 1 hour supply. Expecting the 1 hour supply. However, I think there's a very high chance if we do not come down aggressively, they are going to grab the high, pretty much Asian high, and then we tank. Need to see the sellers coming from here. We're pretty much saying the same thing. Like, the only thing different right now is entry. I am looking for a different type of entry. Find yourself down here. Plus, if you're already looking for a sell here, I'll assume you're pretty good. getting a liquidity grab here, then tanking. That's the best setup here.
Yep.
Because you have a minor range here that this high failed to break. And if you look, this is a high that created it. So this low might grab it and then tank, which is what I would like to see. If that happens, I'm going to take this right away.
And then you have a perfect stop loss because it should not re-break the liquidity,
Yeah.
grab.
Yeah.
If it does, then it's it's not a liquidity grab.
Yeah. Would have been a different story if this high had closed below this low. It would be a different story. I would take this, and soon as we rejected, let's say we rejected here and we rejected there, I've had entry will be around here somewhere. Because this high broke a low, but it did not. So chance we're going to liquidate 3694.1. See. One thing I try to tell new traders is that, man, the only thing efficient trader has set up. You need setup. Don't have one. You don't need to look for one. Because if you don't have a setup, you cannot be a efficient trader.
Setup and emotional intelligence.
And creative thing.
I like that creative thinking.
Because you gotta really, really pay attention, even after you've done your chat markups and everything. Then you gotta go back to the time frame you're trading to actually see, okay, what's really going on here. Are we looking at a momentum setup or at a structure setup? And as of right now, when you look, of course, higher time frame is bullish overall. Lower time frame is still bearish. Morning, Joe.
DJ, where's your stop loss? Or did you even sell it? Did you sell it, or are you just trying to tell other people to sell it?
I would assume stop loss is either above this London high and high.
Well, it's coming straight for it.
Except that if I'm wrong. Right. That's the first high. Asian high. What we need.
Come on, DJ, talk to me. You said sell now, bro.
Or maybe he didn't take it. You got him confused. As a streamer, especially the ones with the following, not careful if you in the comments you'll get. Man, you, for example, you're looking for buyers and they're like, sell now, sell now.
Yeah.
Oh, why are you looking for buyers for?
And then it's like, if anything goes wrong with your trade, they're all over you. But if what they say is wrong, they vanish. They're gone, never to be seen. And I don't know. I feel like it's a lot of those. It tends to be a lot of those ICT people because he's like OB has been respected, so he's like ICT person. And they have a different mentality over there. It's like telling other people to sell. It's like, you know, you could say that I'm in a sell, but why are you telling other people to sell? And then it's like now it's breaking higher, and it's like he's nowhere to be seen. It's like so typical.
Mistake he made is, as of right now, he has the right concept, but he didn't look at the big picture. That's what he missed. At the big picture right there.
Also, I wouldn't be surprised if we, like break higher and hit that big consolidation zone, that big supply up there at
Yep.
like 3,700.
Yep, I won't be
Yeah.
surprised either. Yep. Good. Back to the 1 hour supply.
Yeah.
I was paying attention to that too. I would backed up just.
Mhm.
to, yeah. So what I looked at earlier, why I'm using distance instead, it's because like this 30 minutes of why here, we didn't close below this low, we rejected. So it could ignore the supply and react to the resistance instead. Should just grab this time. Okay, so 5 minutes supply, just grab.
Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Some people might be getting crazy. Not much is happening. They might try to FOMO breakout buys without noticing that huge supply that we got sitting just above here.
All time frames closes. 2 minutes, except for us.
Damn, I'm watching Top Step and one trader's short the ES and another trader's long the ES, and man, they're about to take each other out because it's coming down. The buyers, the guy who bought, he added to it too, and it's like, uh-oh, he's gonna take his money.
All right. So we closed above. 15 closed above. 30 closed above. 1 minute closed above. We have a long wick above the resistance. So we are good. Start looking nice. So I would also be using this 15-minute and here as we have it where we broke the high, so we are good. This point on this resistance should be taken out. That daily swing high will be what I'll be worried about. Might find some cross reaction at this resistance. That's the previous major resistance of the previous range. And if this thing keeps going, that 1 hour resistance is not good. It's not a wrong spot to look for quick shots. Check must be gone.
Yeah.
Spun.
I didn't want to keep saying it, but yep. He gone. I don't know, it's so typical with these kinds of people. It's like, why don't you stay, admit your loss, admit you're wrong, and then learn from it? But instead, it's like, let me disappear and, just keep repeating the same mistakes, the same behavior.
Friday. Now this 15 and come all the way down to this 30 here. Have my foot. That is the high. Progress. Might give it. For the reflection that. Yeah. Morning, good morning, Joey. We're still looking for shots? No, not anymore. As of right now. We didn't grab the highs. All time frames closed above. Hopefully, it doesn't give you can read. It to come down to the oh, so I left. Oh, probably took his skates to school. Up from
All
school.
right.
I'll pick
Wait.
up from school. I pick school.
Yep. Yeah.
It's looking good. Hopefully we tap with supply. I mean demand.
My God, it's like 1 pip from this guy's stop loss. It's been teasing him for like the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-minute candles.
Oh. Someone took a breakout buys.
Yeah, on top step.
Oh.
I'm watching his agony as it's like flickering just above his stop loss repeatedly.
So annoying it without tapping the demand. Ah, you gotta be.
You jinxed it.
Oh, yeah, they didn't jinx it.
Oh.
Oh man, just come back. Give me the demand. Awesome. Oh man, just down. And it closed in 45 seconds.
Potential is deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off, wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from
Oh, Janez is in the chat. Haven't seen him in a while.
Orange leaves. Please take over for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick.
Alright. Edwin, what happened over there? Anything happened on your side? Anything trade?
Nah, Gideon called it early.
Oh, okay.
It's like, it's not the best price action.
Yeah, it isn't.
Man, I was so sure she's gonna take these lows out and reject the demand down here. And then I'll take the buys if she gives me this.
Oh, okay. So you're looking for the buys there.
Yeah, this kind of looks like she want to do this, fake in the bias and then drop down and then go up, but not today. I was wrong on this. The double bottom held. Or maybe this is the faking the bias here. Just take this one out and then go up. Who knows? Yeah, but if I want to buy it, I want to wait for this demand here for better range. Then should give me like a 1-to-1 should be around here maybe. Then 1-to-2 should be up here maybe. Should have enough room.
Man, I just took a breakout sell off that low.
Oh, nice.
Okay, and I'm out. Tapped into the little gap that it made. And I'm done. I'm not gonna trade anymore.
Yeah. I might actually call it as well. It's late and it's Friday.
Maybe,
And
yeah.
imagine yesterday New York volume happening today. I'm gonna be sick.
What happened yesterday? God, I feel like I lost my memory.
Man, full doji action after we enter, basically. Like the
Oh, it
moment
was
she hit
this.
the
Yeah, I
50%,
left.
yeah.
Oh,
That
yeah.
She
that
hit like 50% and
Yep.
then go back to entry, start dancing around, dojing around.
that
Oh, yeah,
that
Like
yeah,
taking like
yeah.
that
hours.
that New York sale was, I mean, bias was crazy. It didn't hit 1-to-1 until Asia session.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
the crazy drop probably would have taken you all out, which is
No,
absurd.
it didn't get to the stop
No,
loss.
no, no. I
It didn't
think the
get to
stop
the
No?
loss was
stop loss.
fine.
Okay.
Stop loss was fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember, you
Man, that
said
was
it
so
during
crazy.
the Asia session that we should have just left the trade alone.
Oh, yeah, that was before it came down the second time and crashed down.
Yeah. This time, yeah, this one
Yeah,
would have stopped us out. Yeah, this one would have
yeah,
stopped.
Oh,
But it gave one to
really?
one at least.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, I thought it never stopped.
Crazy.
It never
Sorry.
stopped me out on Forex if I still hold the
Wait.
trade.
We took it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we took it here. Oh, okay, right there. Stop loss was below this.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
so
use a
this
high
would
one? I
this one.
thought stop loss was 100.
Yeah,
That's one back out.
yeah, it was 100.
Watch anything?
Did we take it right here or here?
Uh, I
Yeah, we took it here. We took it right here.
oh, you took it a bit above.
So yeah,
I
stop
took it
loss was
here.
Oh,
100.
yeah, yeah.
So this would have stopped us out.
Buttons.
Yeah.
And
I,
we had final target, I think somewhere up here. Yep, right here. It was like 240. Somewhere there.
man, if I held that shit, I would have got like 1-to-2. But
It's-
wake up
Yeah,
early
definitely. I
during
think you,
agents or double top.
yeah,
Nah,
I think you
I'm
definitely
scared
give.
of the price.
Yeah, this candle would have given you 1-to-2, I think. Yeah, this candle.
Oh, wow, yeah. Shit. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know what was wrong with Asian session. That should not have happened. It should have just, respected the low after that.
Man, I'm telling you, Asian this week has been like this. It's like week out and then go up. Week out, go up.
I'm
It's
gonna
crazy.
need I really don't trust these buys from here anymore. I think it wants lower.
Yeah, it's because I felt like it's too close to the supply here. There's like hourly supply. Like I'm afraid I don't have enough room.
I mean that's not why it could continue going higher and do the fall from this resistance. I'm gonna
I
need this
think
candle to
yeah.
flip and create a bottom wick. Just create a bottom wick and by breaking the previous candle, I will take it.
Oh, he was on vacation in Spain. He must have been hooking up with Kill the Beat.
Uh,
Triple Witching Day. Today?
However,
Damn.
I would prefer if this thing comes down. See, if it comes down to the 30-minute demand. So let's see. It's not a bad demand either, because we still have it before we broke the high. You got your cheap price and you got your cheaper price.
Wait a second. Damn. Oh, okay. The guy got stopped out on top step and he re-entered the trade again with
Oh,
just even lower stop loss. I don't like that. I think that might be like that's the same thing as moving your stop loss lower because he just got stopped out and then said, "Fuck it, I'm back in."
hmm.
Well, you probably saw this demand here.
Oh no, this guy's trading ES.
Oh, ES? Oh, what's
Yeah.
that?
S&P 500, US 500.
Ah, okay.
I forgot who said it, but someone said like um they don't if they get stopped out on the trade, they don't want to take a trade shortly after because it's like it might be emotional. They need to give it some time because they don't want to even take the same setup anymore because that setup failed the first time. It shouldn't have failed to begin with, so it
Okay.
lowers the quality of that trade. I'm like, fair enough.
I will be taking these buys. Stop loss will be 80. Oh, I definitely should. Wait a minute. What? Make a sound. Oh,
I assume you're in, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Abe is
We're in,
in the
guys.
trade. In case YouTube has no idea. Strong rejection off of that demand. Let's see if it flies to his TP. And this thing is about to pop. And this, for sure, this high is gonna pop. There's so many people selling like one lots up here and it's not going down. That's gotta be retail traders.
Oh, Janice, he was in vacation in Spain. People chinde. Chinde. How's people watching them?
It's the, the options in America where they trade options. It's like the monthly, quarterly, weekly options all expiring on the same day.
Oh,
New high made. Very nice, very nice. Should continue. Higher highs, higher lows. Edwin, did you take the buy?
Nah, it's not. I don't have enough for 1-to-1. I didn't
Oh,
take
okay.
it.
I have enough for 1-to-1. Oh, you think
Yeah,
he's not going to
it's
get to the resistance?
she should, but I'm just a bit concerned about the supply here. Could actually just want to go down. And if I buy it here, I have like enough room for 1-to-1 at least, even if she rejects here.
Hater.
Like even if she go up here, it's like I barely got the 1-to-1, so
It's been looking fairly, slow, but as soon as it tapped into that demand, like volume really kicked in, buyers really stepped up.
Take partial, so even zone. Manage the trade how you see fit. That's 40 ticks or 4 tips if you trade Forex.
Man, I can't believe I closed that buy right at the bottom.
Yeah. I'm disappointed.
Yeah, gorgeous. Yeah, gorgeous girl. What did you find? That's the tap, baby.
Damn. If Pi wasn't a weak-handed little bitch and held that, he'd be up 190 pips.
Hey, fuck you. It's true. It's so true.
What a great buy. Shit, you bought basically the low.
Oh man, I'll take it.
Yep. Don't worry. There's that day like I sold it and then gold fell like another 250 pips past my TP and it's like, oh well. Just have to accept the fact that a good trade could have been amazing. Oh, Abe, have you been using that is it Trade Zella? The journal thing?
Mm-mm. No.
Oh, okay. I remember you said you're gonna use that one, I think.
Yeah. I was gonna use it because now they have a backtesting software
Oh,
specifically for future.
okay. Oh, Kill the Beats here. Where you been, man?
The moment Kill the Beat wrote Beautiful, she rejects.
Okay, guys, I'm going to call it a week. Thanks, King. We'll see you on Monday.
Bye. See you Monday.
Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye, Will. Take care, everyone. Bye, YouTube. Stay safe.
Two.
All right, I'm gonna head off too. Trade looks amazing. Looks like it should hit your full TP.
Hopefully.
All right, have a great weekend.
You too. Go take a shower and you miss the trade. Oh, damn. Sailors are still trying. I'll be right back. I need some water. Mm. Alright, guys. I'm gonna head up myself. Gonna let this kid do his thing. So, have a good weekend, everybody. God bless you all. And I will see you guys on Monday. God bless. Peace. Alright, Zoom. I will see you guys on Monday.